Welcome back, everybody. In this video, I'm going to be going over kind of our first steps for our drawing files, one of two. So for this first one, after you have your model, it's going to be the base model that was built from our kits, no modifications, no extra pieces, nothing like that. So with that, we just have our base model here. I have my fully assembly done, grounded, things can move, yada yada. So from here, let me just save real quick. I'm going to go to new drawing from design. I'm not going to change anything, so I'm just going to hit OK. So now, with our material, we will have to change our material. Now, mine is just kind of like steel and all these other things right now. Or for ours, we'll probably just do some type of plastic, or we can change it to wood. We'll probably do one or the other. So when this comes in, it's going to be super, super small. And now for our first one here, we're just going to be doing our normal ISO view. So like this. You can see our scale 1 to 1 is pretty small, or 1 to 4 is pretty small, so we're going to change it to 1 to 1. 1 to 1, and boom, here we go. So I like this. It's our ISO. We can see mostly everything that we're going to need to see, and then things like that. So from here, move it over a little bit. I'm going to go to tables, and we're not going to do a top or anything like that. We just want our ISO. So I'm going to do top view. I'm going to click on table. And then now it's going to come in big, but it's fine. I'm going to snap it to the top right corner. Bam. There we go. We have our balloons and we have our parts list here. So if I double click on my parts list, first thing, I can get rid of description, and then I have my material. So this is most likely what we're going to want. We're going to want our item, the number, which is our balloons. We're going to want a quantity, part number, which is kind of like part name. Yeah, part number is fine. And then we're going to want material. So mine says steel, but for ours, it's going to be wood or probably some plastic like polyethylene. So I'm going to close on that. Now from here, notice the only other thing we have before we kind of get to the next thing is this. So our balloons, right? Some of this can like pop up right here. And if it crosses our wheel and everything, that looks bad. So for like number 9, maybe I'm going to move it down here. Yes, it still crosses the wheel, but that's okay. It looks better than going over 2 wheels. Again, number 3, I'm going to move that here, nice and neat. Number 5, I might move down a little bit, bring this one closer. 6, 7, 8, 11, those are pretty fine. I'm going to move 1 over. For mine, maybe yours as well. There is number 3, actually, it is over here. So I'm going to delete that one. I'm going to replace one. So if you go under table, click balloon, or you just click on this one. You click on what part it is and then do a balloon, it will bring it back. So I have 1. Where's actually 2? So 2 for my axle. So this might happen for some of our things. The axle is actually hidden in this view. So we're not going to worry about it now. But if this was maybe more a different project or something like that, we might have to have multiple drawing sheets to show multiple views, multiple pieces, things like that. So again, for this, having it auto-generated, most likely 9 out of 10 times, we're going to be happy with it, and I'm happy with this. So again, I would save. I already saved another one, so I'm not going to save this one, but we would save. This is going to be one of most likely 2 drawing sheets that we're going to have for this project, for the reverse engineering. And the next one, we'll do the exploded view. All right, that's it. Thank you.